Hello. In today's session, we are going to discuss about a laboratory experiment of file structures of 6th semester ISC. Here, we are going to discuss about a program number 5, that is, write a program to implement a simple index on primary key for a file of student objects, and also to implement add, search and delete functions using the index. That means we are considering a file with a student's details, that is nothing but a student objects. For the individual element of the file, for example name, USN, branch, age of the student, we are defining a index value. We are defining a index value for a particular student data, that is nothing but for individual record, and using the index value we can fetch the data from the particular record. That means a simple index concept is implemented on a primary key file which consists of the student data, which can be performed with the operations like adding a record, searching a particular record, as well as deleting the element from the file. So let us see the algorithm. For this, we need two different files. One is a student database or student records file. Another is a index file. That's a simple index, a primary indexing. And user is given with the choice to write, that is nothing but add a record, search and delete the records. So let us see the class definition, which consists of 5 parameters or 5 variables: name, USN, age, semester, branch of the type character, which are provided as a public specifiers. We create the instance of this class as S, which can maximum store of 100 student database or 100 records. We also require the buffer to store the temporary search data or the entered information. We also required some temporary reference variables to store the USN and RRN value, and to search a particular element, that key element, we need a variable key USN. That means based on the USN value we are searching the elements within the file. This key value is stored on the index file, and we also need to have two file pointers, one for a student file, another is student data file, another is a index file. So here in the main program we will consider two files to be opened in out mode. That means the data has to be written to that particular file. Then the user is asked to enter the choice to write, search or delete. Based on the user requirement, the choice is passed to the switch loop. Then according to the choice, if it is 1, it will be written, the record will be updated to the file. If it is 2, search the element. If it is 3, to delete the element by searching a particular record. So let us see how do you write a record into a file. What are the contents required? Here we need to consider the name of the student, USN, age, semester and branch of the particular student. When we are reading the elements, we have to store that onto the particular location on a file by performing the pack operation. By grouping them, we need to process to the file. Pack is nothing but delimiting the different records and concatenating the variable values. Then what is a pack function? Here in general we can say a set of records, that is the name is delimited with the delimiter, with the USN is delimited with the age, is delimited with the semester, and delimited with the branch, and all are concatenated to form a single or to store in a single variable buffer. This buffer length is calculated using a string length, and that will be ended with the exclamatory mark, that is the concatenation of the buffer value with the exclamatory mark to identify that is the end of the particular record. And then the count will be considered of the particular individual records. Then if the user want to search an element based on the key value, that is a USN, here the file is opened, the file with the help of file pointers will be opened in an input mode, because we are searching the particular key value in those files. Once the file are open, then the user is asked to enter the USN which he want to search. The user enters the USN, and then each and every line of the second file will be read, that is the file pointer 2 is scanning with the USN value by comparing the USN with the temporary USN value. That means in the index value, the key values, the USN is considered as an index referral value, which is helping the user to search an element within the student file. If the temporary USN and the key USN which is given by the user matches, then we say the record is found. Then we will find out the RRN number, means the relative reference number of that RRN will be identified using ATY function, and then record value is calculated using RRN minus 1 into 49, because we are considering the buffer size as 50. Within that it should be minus 1 into 50 and search from the beginning in the particular file. Seek G is a function to search a particular element either from begin or at the end or from the middle of the file. Then we'll read the contents of the buffer 1 in the file pointer, which is redirecting, means the RRN of a particular element. Using the index value, it is searching the actual contents of the actual file. It will scan from the buffer 1 for the temporary RRN which is identified with the name, USN, age, semester and branch. As the record is found, it will be available in the particular file, and then the data of USN, name, age, semester, branch are displayed. If in case the condition fails, if the record is not available, then it will be displaying that the record is not found. Then both the file pointers has to be closed and exit the loop. In the same case, if the user wants to delete the function, any record, again it will be done with the same way to read the index value of the particular USN, and that particular file contents or the records will be deleted by considering the count, reading the text file in an input mode, check the value. If it is matching, then read, then remove the value from the student text file as well as the index file. It is very much important to update the index file whenever we are removing an element from the actual storage or actual file. Then update the count and indicate the number of available records. Again, after deletion, pack the particular array of a student data, whatever the records of a particular individual will be called to pack, means group together. Let us see the demonstration of the program. Let us compile the program. There are no errors. Check for the output. The user is given with the choice to write, search, delete, or by default exit from the program. So the user will search the element. To search, there are no elements as of now, so we'll enter a record, enter the name of a student, USN IS01, age 20, then the semester 6, branch ISE. So one record is added into the file. A respective data is stored in a student.txt, and the indexing of this particular record is stored in the index file ind.txt. That is the referral number to retrieve the particular record. I'll add one more record, Ravi, USN IS02, age 21, semester 6, branch ISE. So now I have two records. I want to search a particular element with the value based on the USN. So the user can enter the choice to enter the USN to search. I wish to search IS02. The record of a USN IS02 has displayed a Ravi with the age, name, age, semester and branch. In the same way, if the user wants to delete this particular record, so I need to specify what is the record to be deleted. So now I will mention the USN IS02. So the record is deleted. The record is deleted, which is found with the RRN value 2. That means the RRN value of a particular record Ravi is 2, because we have entered as a second element. Now if I want to search the same element IS02, the record not found, as we have deleted the record. If you want to search the first element, it will be available IS01. It will display the first element which is inserted. So based on a simple primary indexing value, we are able to search and add the records as well as remove the particular record from the file. So these are the few references. Thank you.